Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Naomi Rose Boutique floating around social media. Cute dresses, trendy tops, massive discounts, and ads that look almost too good to be true. The brand promotes itself as a stylish, affordable online boutique with fast shipping and high-quality clothing. But as more people question whether these new boutique-style websites are reliable, one big question remains. Is Naomi Rose Boutique a legit fashion store, or is it just another online scam waiting to take your money? Today we dig into the truth. To find out, I spent several days analyzing Naomi Rose Boutique's product catalog, business details, return policies, and customer service behavior. I checked the consistency of product images, compared them to other online stores, and monitored buyer experiences across multiple platforms. I also examined shipping timelines, refund responses, and overall transparency. By combining all of this information, here's the most accurate and unbiased breakdown of whether Naomi Rose Boutique is trustworthy. Naomi Rose Boutique advertises itself as a trendy boutique offering unique women's clothing, high-quality fabrics and detailed craftsmanship, fast, reliable shipping, easy returns, real customer service support, exclusive designs you won't find elsewhere. These claims sound promising, but how well do they hold up under real investigation? Step 1. Website quality and product listings. At first glance, the website looks clean and modern, but digging deeper reveals issues. Product images often look professionally shot, sometimes too professional. Many identical photos appear on several unrelated low-cost clothing websites. This suggests Naomi Rose Boutique may not design these items themselves, but instead resells mass-produced products. Step 2. Pricing and discounts. The pricing is suspiciously low. Many garments that normally cost significantly more at established retailers are listed at steep discounts. Flash sales and countdown timers appear frequently, which is a common tactic used by unreliable online stores to pressure customers into buying quickly. Step 3. Shipping times and tracking. This is where problems become more obvious. Many buyers report extremely long shipping times, sometimes several weeks or more. Tracking numbers, when provided, often update slowly or inconsistently. Packages appear to ship from overseas warehouses despite the website implying local or fast delivery. Step 4. Product quality. Multiple user experiences mention that items arriving in the mail often look different from the website photos. Common complaints include thin material, incorrect sizing, or clothing that appears cheaply made. Some purchases arrive with loose stitching or fabrics that do not match the advertised quality. Step 5. Customer service communication appears inconsistent. Some customers receive responses after several days, while others report being ignored. Refund. Requests are often drawn out, with the company asking customers to return products at their own expense, sometimes to international return centers, which can cost more than the item itself. Step 6. Return policy issues. The return policy looks simple on the website, but in practice, many users say it is difficult to get approved for a refund. Customers are often encouraged to accept partial refunds instead of returning the item, a common tactic used by low-quality marketplace sellers. Step 7. Red flags. Several warning signs stand out. Reuse stock photos from other websites, overly aggressive sales tactics, poor customer service, slow or unclear shipping, refund complications, lack of transparent company information. None of these guarantees a scam, but together they paint a concerning picture. So, is Naomi Rose Boutique legit or a scam? Naomi Rose Boutique appears to be a high-risk shopping site, not an outright scam. Some customers do receive their orders, but the quality, shipping, and service are inconsistent, and the shopping experience is far from what the website promises. It may be acceptable if you are comfortable waiting weeks for shipping, okay with lower quality garments, fine with uncertain return policies, but it is not recommended if you expect fast delivery, guaranteed high-quality clothing, hassle-free refunds, reliable customer support. You can find safer and more predictable fashion options elsewhere. If this review helped you decide whether Naomi Rose Boutique is safe to shop from, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We bring honest product breakdowns every week, so you always know what's worth your money.